Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of feeling like your laptop is burning a hole in your lap? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's called the SAIJI Lap Desk. This thing is a game changer, and I'm not just saying that because it's got a fancy LED light built into it, although that is pretty cool. The SAIJI Lap Desk is portable, king size, and has some amazing features that set it apart from the competition. One of the things that really stands out about this lap desk is the thickened cushion on the bottom, which is 30% thicker than your average lap desk. This means that you get a better angle when you're using your laptop, and it creates a larger space for airflow and heat dissipation, so your laptop doesn't overheat and your legs don't get scorched. Plus, the cushion is super soft, so it feels amazing on your skin. I've also been impressed by how well reviewed this product is, with many customers singing its praises. And it's easy to see why. The SAIJI Lap Desk is fully assembled, so you don't have to worry about putting it together yourself, and the lamp's charging cable is conveniently stored in a drawer in the desk. The LED light is also really bright and has a nice warm glow, which makes it perfect for working or reading in bed. I've been using the SAIJI Lap Desk for a while now, and I can honestly say it's been a total lifesaver. I use it to work from home, watch TV, and even eat breakfast in bed, and it's been perfect for all of those things. It's so much better than just balancing my laptop on my lap, because it gives me a stable surface to work on and keeps my laptop at a comfortable distance. Overall, I'm really impressed with the SAIJI Lap Desk, and I think you will be too. It's a great product that if this helped, hit. Link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.